Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how we can uninstall VS Code from our Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, click on Go option at the top and then you will see the applications option here. So just click on the applications option and here you need to search or navigate to the VS Code icon, which is this one, and then just press command key and then click on your keyboard or right click on your mouse, which is going to give you these options. We just need to click on move to bin option here, which is going to move VS Code to the bin folder. And from here, you just need to open this folder and then click on empty bin, which is going to empty your bin. And this is how you can remove VS Code from your Mac operating system. There might be other settings folder related to VS Code, but I generally don't remove them because some other applications which uses VS Code can still use them. So this is how you can uninstall VS Code on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.